Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Gladiator windshield. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a T40 Torx bit and a ratchet. Begin by removing the two bolts that secure each windshield wiper arm, then gently lift the arms off. Next, carefully detach the cowl panel by removing its retaining clips, which will expose the electrical connections underneath. This preparation is crucial for a smooth removal process. Now, let's disconnect the electrical components. Locate and unplug the electrical harness for the windshield washer fluid. Then, carefully disconnect the defroster and antenna connections from the windshield frame. After these are free, remove the two bolts that secure the windshield hold-down straps on each side. These steps ensure all connections are clear before the next stage of removal. With the connections clear, it's time to detach the windshield. Remove the 4 bolts securing the windshield hinge on each side of the vehicle. Once these bolts are out, the entire windshield assembly can be carefully lifted away. It's a good idea to have a second person assist you with this step, as the windshield is heavy and awkward. Store it safely to prevent any damage. To reinstall your Jeep Gladiator windshield, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Always double-check your work for safety. Remember, proper reinstallation is key to preventing leaks and ensuring structural integrity. Also, don't forget to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.